Hi friends, welcome to DM classes.
In last session, we have learned ratio of areas of two triangles. Now today we will start with practice set 1.1, question number first. Base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of this triangle. Of these triangles. Solution. Let the base height and area of the first triangle be B1, H1 and A1 respectively. Let the base height and area base height and area of the second triangle be B2, H2 and A2 respectively. Therefore, A1 divided by A2 equal to B1 into H1 divided by B2 into H2. Reason. Ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their base and corresponding heights. Bases and heights, corresponding heights. According to the question, B1 is 9 and H1 is 5. B1 equal to 9 and H1 equal to 5. Therefore, A1 upon A2 equal to 9 into 5 and B2 is 10 and H2 is 6. Therefore, 10 into 6. and h2 equal to 6. a1 upon a2 equal to 9 5 जा 45, 10 6 जा 60, 5 9 जा 45, 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 20, 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12. Therefore, a1 upon a2 equal to 3 by 4. The ratio of areas of the triangles. The ratio of areas of the triangle triangles is 3:4. Question number 2. In the adjoining figure, BC is a perpendicular of AB, AD is a perpendicular of AB, BC equal to 4, AD equal to 8. Then find area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB. Figure. Solution. Triangle ABC and triangle ABD have same base AB. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB equal to BC into AB divided by AD into AB. AB cancel because triangles having equal base. Therefore, BC equal to AD. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB equal to BC equal to 4 and divided by AD equal to 8. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB equal to 1 by 2. Answer. Question number 3. In the adjoining figure, segment PS is a perpendicular of segment RQ. Segment QT is a perpendicular of segment PR if RQ equal to 6, PS equal to 6 and PR equal to, then find QT. in the figure. PS is a perpendicular of RQ and QT is a perpendicular of segment PR. RQ equal to 6, PS equal to 6 and PR equal to 12. Solution. In triangle PQR, PR is the base and QT is the corresponding heights. Also, RQ is the base and PS is the corresponding heights. Therefore, area of triangle PQR divided by area of triangle PQR. PR into QT divided by RQ into PS. Reason: ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. Both triangles are equal, that is 1 divided by 1 equal to PR into QT divided by RQ into PS. By cross multiplication, PR into QT equal to RQ into PS. Substitute the value of PR equal to 12 and QT equal to RQ equal to 6 into PS equal to 6. QT equal to 6 into 6 divided by 12. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. Therefore, QT equal to 3 units. Question number 4. In the adjoining figure, AP is a perpendicular of BC, AD is a perpendicular of BC, AD is parallel to BC. Then find area of triangle ABC into area of triangle BCD. Solution. Draw DQ is a perpendicular of BC, BC C and Q are collinear points. D, Q, the perpendicular of BC. AD is parallel to BC given. Therefore, AP equal to TQ. Reason: perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is the same. And triangle ABC and triangle BCD. Triangle ABC and triangle BCD have same base BC. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle BCD equal to AP divided by DQ. Reason: triangles having equal base. Triangles having equal base. We know that AP equal to DQ, therefore AP divided by AP. AP cancel equal to 1 is to 1. Area of triangle ABC into area of triangle BCD equal to 1 is to 1. Thank you.
If you like the video, please press the bell icon.